The next question. Find the equation of a circle which passes through the points A, B. So you have a circle passes through A and B, and the center is actually lying on the line y equals to x plus 1. Wow, mouthful. Come, let's try drawing the circle then. All right, you have a circle. Oops, my circle looks terrible. Let me redo this. You have a circle. All right, and then it passes through the point 2, 6, as well as negative 2, 2. Okay, let me draw this in, I think, with the 2. Okay, I have a 2, 6, so maybe somewhere here. All right, 2, 6, and then another one is negative 2, 2. So negative 2, maybe 2 is here. All right, negative 2 and 2 for the point B here. All right, so I have A, I have B. The center passes through the line y equals to x plus 1. Well, if I sketch in the line y equals x plus 1, this is positive 1, so I know that the gradient is upward sloping and it passes through the point 1. So I have something like this. All right, the center sits on this line, so possibly say here. Right? Now, if I join AB, because A are just any 2 points on the circumference, any 2 points of the circumference, if you draw them and join them, all right, essentially you get a chord. All right, and if from the center, all right, you draw a perpendicular bisector down, you know that this is the midpoint. Splits this into 2 equal halves. All right. Yeah, the yellow line essentially splits that into 2 equal halves. Now you want to find the equation of circle. So to find equation of circle, you need radius as well as the center of circle. So how to find center of circle? We know that the center of circle sits on this yellow line. The center of circle also sits on this blue line here. So it is this basically this point here. All right, since that point sits on the yellow, sits on the blue, let's solve simultaneously. But to solve simultaneously, I need to first have the equation of the yellow line. So let's go find the equation of the yellow line. Well, the equation of the yellow line, to find equation of a line, you need a point as well as the gradient. So let's find a point. M is a point on the yellow line, so let's go find the midpoint of AB. So first and foremost, I will have midpoint of AB. All right, midpoint of AB, 2 plus negative 2 divided by 2, and then 6 plus 2 divided by 2, so that gives you 0, 4. All right, 0, 4 is the midpoint of AB. To find the gradient of the yellow line, I first must find the gradient of AB. All right, gradient of AB, y1 minus y2 over x1. Oops, wrong way. x1 minus x2. And so my gradient is actually 1. So now I know gradient of perpendicular bisector, therefore, is negative 1. All right, knowing this, I have the gradient of bisector. I have a point that sits on bisector. Equation of bisector. All right, equation of bisector, therefore, is as good as y minus 4 equals to negative x minus 0 to give you y equals to negative x plus 4. With equation of bisector, with equation of the line, y equals to x plus 1. Right? I know I'm going to sub 1 into 2. Negative x plus 4 equals to x plus 1. So that gives me 2x equals to 3. X is equals to 3 over 2. With x equals to 3 over 2, I know that my y essentially is 5 over 2. So now I know center of circle is 3 over 2, 5 over 2. I am asked to find equation of circle. Knowing center of circle is just one step. I still need to find the radius. So how to find the radius? Let's go back to the diagram again. Now that I know the red center, right? Now that I know the red center, I need the radius. I can actually choose a point, all right, on the circumference and find the distance over there. So let me go find the distance. So radius, I know to find radius is the distance, so I can take 3 over 2 minus negative 2 plus 5 over 2 minus 2 squared. So this will then give me square root 25 over 2. Well, is it necessary to actually go and square it out and then leave it in decimal place? Not necessary, because when we write equation of circle, it is your x minus center plus y minus center equals to radius square. So you actually have to then go square root this. So ask me, need to? My answer, no. 1 minus 5 over 2 square equals to 25 over 2. There you go, equation of circles. So notice the strategy with the para of words. Suggestion is go and draw it out, go and sketch it out. Then you probably at a glance can see where is the bisector that you're looking for, where is the chord that you existingly have, where is that extra line that you have.